Landini is introducing at EIMA 2022 the new Super Family, designed for all regulated country, available in footstep, cab and high clearance versions. The reliable Perkins engines are available in Tier 0 and Tier 3, increasing the power from 84 up to 111 horsepower, with the torque peak values of 416 Nm, assuring great performances and productivity for all types of soil levels. Two naturally aspire engines, model 85 and 95, one turbo 90, and the other are turbo aftercooler, can identify 16 model footstep, declining 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive and high clearance, and 9 cab version model, declining 4-wheel drive and high clearance. An important upgrade is the new transmission, offering 16 forward plus 16 reverse with gripper, available both with synchro shuttle with dry clutch or with reverse power shuttle featuring modulation control and the clutch, offering also the maximum operability in all working conditions, such as headland maneuvers or front loader application. The new hydraulic circuit has been updated with a tandem pump, providing 54-liter minute to the services and 24-liter minute to the steering, which goes up to 30-liter minute with RPS for an improved operator's drivability. Another benefit of the hydraulic circuit is an optimized filtration suction system, providing circuit easy maintenance. The version offers from 2 up to 4 rear mechanical spool valves controlled via joystick and levers, while footstep from 1 up to 2 rear spool valves. The rear seats in Category 2 provide a lifting capacity that vary from 3 tons up to 4.5 tons in low power and high clearance version, and up to 5 tons on high power version. Ergonomic lifting system for rear control and suspended seat are available on cab version, as well as the new front loader L20, and developed to the product range. Front axle available in 2-wheel drive and 4-wheel drive in low power, platform and high clearance with pedal sealing option, whilst 4-wheel drive with hydro-locking option are available on high power ranges. Cam version improved specification include excellent soundproofing and suspend and brake and clutch pedals, and new dashboard and RPS lever for an increased operator comfort. Special attention has been paid to the new design, thanks to the Landini family feeling that can be appreciated on the new livery.